Hello everyone, it's James from MPX AUTOS. How are you? In this video, we would like to share about the system called surrounding camera on demand that we bring in for the demand of towing, or you're doing the towing caravan or trailer, or you go for the off-road, or simply just for the car itself, but we bring in the system surrounding camera on demand because it is the one different with the surrounding 360 camera. Why different and how different is this system here? It will have 4 high resolution Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera fit surrounding the car, which each of them has a super wide angle view, and it is fit in the purpose that help you to see the blind spot from the car, especially like the SUV. In this case, this one is the Toyota Prado 150 series, and the camera is fit at the similar position like a 360-degree camera setup, but it is purposely adjusted at the right position to have seeing a different angle, and that will have to see when you are driving and when you are towing. Very helpful when you are towing, and you can turn on the camera on demand. So the system will turn on the reverse camera if you put the car into the reverse. And in this car, we actually install it, the camera at the back end to see the turbo. So from the top down, looking to the turbo, if the camera see the turbo here, you can move the car close to the object, close to the turbo, very easy. And the bumper bar on the left and right, and the turbo in the middle here. That's help to see the rear of the car. Now, for when you move the gear stick, it will show up the front camera, which in this case you see the front camera is showing a bit of different style here. The front camera actually can be seen again. I turn on demand. So that is the front bumper of the camera, and there's one object here, black, and you can see this is black box, and this is the touch. Okay, so you can see the anti-glare feature is working very well because it blocks the very strong LED light touch here, and it has a bit of haze, but it still have to see very clear the object in the front, which actually is the car and the panel and other thing. That is the front camera, and we have the front camera set up like this. So just come out first, so you can see. Okay, here we go. This is how the black box in the front showing on the screen. So at this moment, this one staying here is 10 centimeter from right drop down from the front bumper of the car to the box is 10 centimeter. Not even 10 centimeter. It is about 7 to 8 centimeter from the front bumper to the boundary of the box, which on the screen you see that this box stay matching to the bumper because the camera stay looking down. Okay, so that is where you can park the car within like this distance 7 centimeter to the front object, which is pretty clear and pretty close. So if you look down like this, is the way the box stay. Okay, it in the real life it is 7 centimeter about that to the box in the front, which is definitely the very close distance. And now on the other side, you actually see this one stay like this. So from the front of the car is open like this angle to the to the side of the car, so the camera actually see very far like this way, okay, very far, and the same way like the other side. So basically you have this open there, okay, and that will help you to see the blind spot very nice. So that is how you see the thing, and that is the front camera. Now talking about the left side camera, this left side camera can be turned on demand like this control, or also it can be turned on by the signal, okay. So when we turn the signal, it will turn on the camera, and this one will have to see very much from, you know, the half of the front door, far to the other side. So it will have to see all the way from this up to the car over there, okay. So it actually see this direction over there, and this one stay all the way backward to the car. So you can see that this the side of the car, the front door here, the rear door open handle there, and from here to the side it is that particular car, okay. So it is going to see very much like this way and back all the way down there to the car. Same thing with the right side angle camera. The right side camera can be seen like this, side body, front door, rear door, handle. So from right in the middle, from this position looking down there, okay, and then from there you can see the object behind, and this is where the camera stay here and looking down here. So you have to see very clear, and the objects, the door, the front door, you see the front door. So basically it have you to see like this direction, okay, from the door here, from this position up there, and then all the way backward to the car. It's very wide angle, okay. So that's on the signal. But if in case you are towing and you want to see left camera, you want to see right camera, you want to see rear camera, or you want to see front camera, okay, so that's all you can turn on demand. So that's what we call 360 surrounding camera on demand system, okay, especially made for towing, for off-road, or for the car itself, to help you to see full camera on each screen on its own, and it's super clear, super detailed. So that's about how we fit the new system, and we fit in the Land Cruiser Prado 150 series. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.